What's up, everybody? My name is JR, aka the Sinister Camaro, and today I've got my lovely wife with me for another one of your favorite Snackcrate videos. Now, we've done a video like this before, so I'm just going to explain the rules, how it's going to work. This is going to be a speedrun Snackcrate. You guys seem to love the last one, so we're going to do it again. The reason why we do these, we keep them in the automotive world by doing it in our show car or show truck. But today we're in the Camaro. We're going to be seeing if we can break our speed run record that we had in the truck. It's going to be pretty crazy, hectic, and it'll be a whole lot of fun. So the way it's going to work is we've already got the seal broken on our Snackcrate. We don't know what country it is or anything like that. We're just going to break it open, and by the time we open the box to the time we get done with the last snack and review it, we are going to stop the timer, and we're going to see if we can beat our speed run record from last time. So sit back, relax, enjoy. If you're new to the channel, thank you guys for joining us. If you've been here before, thank you for the continued support for everything that we've got going on. So we're going to get started right after this. Alright guys, so we got our plates, our cups for drinks and everything. We're trying to be mindful of the virus that's going around, so enjoy the entertainment. Let's go ahead and get started. So once that box opened, editor, if you could start the timer.
Now, before we open it, do you have any guesses?
Mexico. I'm always dreading Mexico.
I'm thinking, have we had Thailand?
I don't think so.
I'm gonna guess Thailand.
Okay. Alright, start
It's
time.
Korea!
Korea!
I was close!
Oh goodness, north or south?
I don't know.
Oh goodness. Go, 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 go. Gotta be our record.
Open that.
I'm gonna show it. Here you go.
Jolly Pong. I don't know what that is. I can't get
It's a
mine.
gummy. It's a grape gummy.
I can't get mine open.
Pretty much a grape gummy. Eat it.
Oh, I like grape.
I really like that. It's really cool. I'm gonna save that one. Thumbs up.
Oh, that's good.
I don't know where to put it.
This is like cereal.
Oh my god, it's dropping all over. It's like Honey Smacks. It has a cocoa flavor to it, but it's not too bad. Actually, I kind of like it. I'm gonna give that a okay.
Yeah, it tastes like cereal.
Some kind of chocolate graham thing.
This is like a choco pie with marshmallow filling.
Sorry in advance for all the package opening. Kind of like that kangaroo snack where you have the graham on the outside and the chocolate on the inside.
Feed me one.
Eat it. Ugh. The chocolate's kind of bad. I don't like it. Can't believe it, but I'm gonna say a no on that for me.
It's
What's
okay.
this? Oh, is this like a moon pie?
Kind of.
Chocolate pie.
Mmm.
Chocolate pie. It is. I don't really like it that well. Oh, I forgot we gotta say the wrappers too. Custard. No, it's not the best choice. It sucks.
I don't know what this is, but that's the package.
Ugh. I don't like it.
I don't like custard.
I hate custard. What's this?
I don't know. It's some kind of cookie or biscuit.
It's weird. It's like a waffle cone.
It tastes like a waffle cone.
It does. I like it.
You open that one.
Tiramisu. Chick Choco. I don't know what it is.
This one we can't count in the speed run because it's ramen and we have to cook it.
They gave us ramen?
They gave us ramen.
When?
It's ramen. It has the cooking instructions on the back.
Look at this thing. It's like a whole pallet of chocolate on the bottom and then a cookie on top.
This is some kind of strawberry flavored candy.
Oh, it's so weird. Just the texture is weird. It's cold because it's been in the fridge.
These are going to be hard because they've been in the fridge.
Tiramisu cookie thing.
It's pretty good.
It's weird textures.
Here, take that.
What's this, now and later?
It's a strawberry candy.
Strawberry candy, got it. Oh, it's kind of hard. It's from Trev Combat.
I told you it's gonna be hard because it was in the refrigerator. I can't get one out for myself. You get one out for me.
Did you show the camera?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Next.
I don't know what that is. Pocky sticks!
We actually got Pocky Sticks?
I mean, it's a different brand, but same concept. I can't chew this one, I'm gonna break a tooth. It tastes good. Dad just spit it out. Or
It's a bunch of sticks. These are actually pretty good. These things are not too bad.
That strawberry candy was good, it's just too hard.
The fault of our refrigerator, not the candy. This is a Pocky Stick, pretty much.
It's a cookies and cream flavored one.
If you never had Pocky Stick, cookies and cream is one of my favorite flavors. What's that, peach?
Oh, I've had one of these before. It's a milk peach drink. It's milk and peach.
You have any more in there?
No.
Okay, this is the last thing. Gotcha. Let's go. I'll tilt it so you don't get the fizz and stuff. Racing against the timer, racing against the timer. We can actually do a really good thing with this.
Ready?
I'm not a big fan of peach, but it has a really summer vibe to it, so I can dig it. Try not to rip the bag. It's like in the corner. It's gonna hurt our time. Hurry up. Alright, I got spice. What you're supposed to do, take the bag, put the spice out, it's like ramen. You can't even hear me. Yeah, open it. So this is supposed to be like ramen without the water. So we took the packet of sauce out, or salt out, and then we crunched up the noodles, and we're supposed to pour it back in and shake it up.
What is in here? Oh, my phone.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
My phone's in there, so I can't open it over the bag. I forgot I put my phone in there.
It smells like beef noodles, which works for me.
It won't come out. Oh goodness, we might not beat our time.
Tear it.
Okay, that's good enough. That's most of it. Oh, don't do that.
The spirits of ramen's past.
Such a dork.
Alright, here we go. That would be good. This is actually the way I eat ramen every once in a while, just because it's easier to make than with water. I have to wait for it to boil and everything, but it's got a nice kick to it, spice. This is a really good idea. I mean, you could do this with any ramen, to be honest, but I really like this.
If there's any big pieces in there, dig one out.
Why?
Because I just had a big piece and it holds a lot of the flavor in it.
So, I have to say, my favorites. For whatever reasons, I really like the sticks. The strawberry was good. I just wish we hadn't had it in the freezer. I mean, in the refrigerator, so it wasn't as hard. But it's like a now and later, strawberry flavored. And then, of course, the grape gummies. I love me some gummies.
The only thing I didn't like, no more crunching. The only thing I didn't like was the custard thing. Everything else, I either thought that it was, you know, pretty good or like really good.
The waffle cone thing is not that bad. I really like that concept. But the tiramisu thing was just a weird texture. And the custard was just awful.
So, I mean, I would definitely give this box a thumbs up because the only thing I didn't like was the custard thing, but I don't like custard at all. Like, donuts that have custard filling in them, I don't like those. I don't like any kind of custard.
I was really banking on the fact that Korea really doesn't have that great of candy and snacks just because with everything going on over there. But to be honest, they've had a good run of stuff compared to a lot of the other boxes that we've tried.
Yeah. I mean, there was only one thing in it I didn't like, and it wasn't even that bad. It was like, the cake part of it was fine. And the custard tasted all right. I just don't like custard.
I need to keep the packaging.
And the strawberry candy really was good. It's just, it was rock hard for me in the refrigerator. That's the only reason I took it out of my mouth, is because I didn't want us to go over on the speed run, just because I was having trouble chewing the candy from being in the refrigerator.
Alright guys, so that's going to be it for us. Thank you guys for joining us. Smash that like button. It really does help our videos out a lot. If you did enjoy this series and you want to see it continue, hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you around. Check out some of our other automotive and Tech Tip Tuesday type videos and vlogs and all that nice neat stuff that we give you. So hope you're enjoying the content. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget, always remember, stay sinister.